Ready to start your first garden? Let's walk through the essential steps to plan and plant with confidence. Decide if you want to have a garden that's for beauty, for your family to play in, or just for relaxing. Once you've decided on your garden's purpose, choose the best spot. For example, a garden for beauty should be planted where it can get some attention. Put it in the front yard where others can appreciate it, and you can enjoy it from the front window or porch. Measure your space and consider how much time you can give. Starting small makes gardening easier and more rewarding. Test your soil to know what nutrients it needs. All gardens can benefit from compost, peat moss composted manure to improve moisture and oxygen retention. When planting, check the root ball and make 4 evenly spaced cuts to help roots grow outward. Place the plant in the ground at the same depth or slightly higher than it was in the container. To keep your garden thriving, fertilize based on your soil test, trim faded blooms, watch for pests and disease, pull weeds, and water regularly. Add 2 inches of mulch to help retain moisture and reduce weeds. Just keep it away from any plant stems. With good planning and care, your first garden will be a space you enjoy all season long. Visit your local Lowe's Garden Center to see what thrives in your area and get started.